What is going on, Shiba Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, we're going to go ahead and talk about Shiba Inu and some fantastic news for tonight's AMA that we all need to pay attention to. Now, remember, I always like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And of course, SHIB is one of our personal biggest holdings, guys. Look, I know we've been consolidating and I know the overall market is being lame right now. We are seeing a downtrending market, but I'm not worried. I'm not worried because the bulls will always outweigh the bears as long as the sentiment analysis and the technicals make sense. Now, we have some really good things to look forward to, especially for Shiba Inu. You guys know tonight, the 29th of December, at 8 p.m. Central, which is my time, 6 p.m. Pacific, we know this today. We're going to see a big AMA regarding Shibarium. We're going to talk SHIBASWAP 2.0. We're going to have Satoshi there. We're going to have the whole SHIB community there, which is going to be amazing. So again, don't forget to use hashtag SHIBAMA to spread the word on social media in regards to the SHIB tokens. First, Twitter Spaces AMA with David. I don't know how to spell his last name or pronounce it, so I'm just going to say David G and his team. Be there or be square, guys. We're going to get a lot of inside info on what's to come for 2022 for Shiba Inu. Now, I also want to mention the link in the description below for Moomoo. Make sure you get your 5 free stocks. When you deposit money into your Moomoo trading account, there's a link in the description below. Free money, $17,500, Oculus 2s, iPhone 13s, waiting for you at your disposal as soon as you click that link and go ahead and join. It supports the channel and it supports your pocket. The Bears versus the Bulls. The story continues for SHIB. This is what Shiba Inu Bulls and Bears indicator says about Shiba Inu's price. So aside from all the things that we are looking forward to for tonight, regarding the AMA, understand that the overall market is looking not the best. The fear and greed index shows a lot of fear in the market, paper hands selling, people taking profits. We see it always at the last little bit of the year, the last leg of the year before the new year. People take profits, people take losses because that's how it works for tax purposes, especially here in the United States. But if we look at the indicators, the into the block, Bulls and Bears indicator tracks the number of addresses that are purchased, or so purchases and sells more than 1% of the total amount of volume traded on a given day. The Bulls are those who bought more than 1% of the total volume, and then those who sold more than 1% are what we call the Bears. Bears sell, Bulls buy. The difference between the Bulls and the Bears gives an understanding of what the net buying selling activity is by large players, because that's what we need to focus on. Not the overall sentiments, but what do the large, big money do in terms of trading volume and trading throughout the day, intraday trading. Based on the address count, Shiba Inu Bulls and Bears continue to tussle. It's been a fight between them, but obviously the Bears are winning to a certain extent, as the article mentions, with the Bears gaining the upper hand in the last 7 days. The volume view, which aggregates the total amount purchased by Bulls and sold by the Bears, however, points to something quite interesting, and this is why you can't be fooled, folks. Over the last 7-day period, a total amount of 22.84 billion SHIB has been bought by the Bulls and only 21.33 billion SHIB has been sold by the Bears. More Bulls than Bears, more buying than selling with the big players. Overall, the quantity of SHIB bought in the last 7 days has surpassed the sold by nearly 1.5 billion, which is a positive sign. Don't be fooled. Guys, come on the AMA, join in, make sure you're pay attention to all indicators. Don't just look at price action. Yes, that's the one that's most obvious and you can just look at on a day-to-day basis, but indicators, that's what differentiates smart traders and strong traders between the weak-handed and the ones who end up losing a lot of money in this space. Not financial advice by any means, but those of you who are holding and increasing your position with this downtrending market, you're probably doing something very smart for yourselves. But I can't tell you whether to buy or sell, but I can tell you what I'm doing with Bugs Bunny on my shirt. I appreciate everybody's love and support. Thank you so much for tuning in. Smash the like button if you haven't already, and consider subscribing to the channel. But until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.